Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Educated Jeevan. And in today's video guys, we will be talking about Zoom settings for your music performance or for your music classes. So before diving to today's topic, if you guys have not subscribed my YouTube channel Educated Jeevan, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Now let's go directly into today's topic. Now let's start the Zoom meeting. You can see in the screen that my Zoom meeting is connecting. It's already connected. Now guys, in the bottom you can see there is a mic, there is a video option, there is a security, participant chats, screen share, record and breakout rooms. So what you need to do is you need to go to the audio, the mic, and there is an arrow, you can click in that arrow. After that you can see at the last there is an audio settings. Just click in the audio settings. When you click in the audio settings, you'll get these things. So you can see there's a speaker and there is a microphone. In case of the microphone, there is automatically adjust volume. So what you need to do is you need to click here. You need to unclick the automatic adjust volume and just adjust somewhere in between over here. If you adjust the volume somewhere between here, then it is very much okay for your music performance. So after that, just at the bottom over there you can see there is advanced. So click here in the advanced. So after clicking in the advanced audio settings, what you can see is there is show in meeting option to enable original sound from microphone. So you need to check, or you need to click here and enable your original sound from the microphone. After that you can see there at the down over there is audio processing. So for this guys, you can see the first one, the suppress persistent background noise, and yes, just click here and disable this one. Similarly, again there is also the suppress intermittent background noise. Just click over there and yes, disable that one. And for the echo cancellation, just leave it for auto. After doing this, now you don't have any problems in conducting your musical performance. So let's our setting is already saved. Okay, let's go for the quick review. In the audio there is an arrow. Let's go for the audio setting. In audio setting, yes, uncheck the automatic adjust volume and adjust somewhere in the middle over there. After that, advance, yes, you need to check here, or you need to enable the original sound. After that, suppress persistent background noise. In both this you are supposed to disable it, and yes, for the echo cancellations, leave it for auto. If you do this much, then yes, you can have a very nice musical performance or your musical class in your Zoom app. So this is how you need to arrange your Zoom audio settings for your musical performance in your Zoom classroom. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you. And one more thing guys, if you have anything to write, just write down in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Educated Jeevan and hit the bell icon to receive the notification for the future videos. Bye bye all, see you in next video.